Hello, and thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to do a review on a survival kit that's commonly found online with many vendors, Amazon, eBay, etc. This is the IFAK survival kit by Supology, Getting More Fun. It's listed as a 131 piece survival kit, but in the description it's listed as a 129 in one kit. So we'll find out exactly how many pieces come in it. It has a 4.5-star rating with 172 reviews on Amazon, and it's currently listed for $39.99. Included in it from the descriptions shows a knife, a flashlight, tactical pen, fire starter, combustion rope, outdoor bracelet, life blanket, whistle, carabiner, raincoat, wire saw, tool card, and a first aid kit. This is listed on here as a professional emergency survival equipment. It might be a lifesaver while you're stuck in the wild. I don't know if it's professional at its price, but we're gonna see. Like I said, there's some discrepancies in the description. It measures in what the manufacturer says at about 11 inches, 7.5 by 5.25. They say it weighs 1.2 kilos. So that's about 2.5 pounds. And we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, take a look at it, each individual piece, see the quality of it, and see if this is actually worth getting in today's world. You know, survival and being prepared is more prevalent than that now than it ever was. So the bag itself is made out of like a Condor 550 or denim material. It's got Molle webbing on it, and this is rubber. A couple zippers. It's pretty hefty. It's got a Molle strap in the back and a regular like book bag handle and 2 zippers. So we're gonna get it opened up and laid out and take a look at everything inside of it. Okay, we got everything laid out. As you can see, it's a pretty generous kit. It comes with a lot of things. I believe in order for them to hit the 131